it's Theodore here, and today I'll be unboxing the Xiaomi Mi Smart Band 4. This cost me 2200 Indian rupees and it's about 30 US dollars. It advertises a heart rate monitor, it's waterproof up to 50 meters, and it has some music control and an AMOLED color touchscreen. So let's get to it. So inside the box, you find the band, and other than that, here's the charging cable, as well as the manual. The manual I have is in English, so that's nice. I'll get back to you after I charge the band. To charge the band, I'll take it out of this and put it inside this, and then plug it into any USB port. So I'm back after 50 minutes. It has reached 68%, and after pairing it with a phone, it updated software from the Mi Fit app itself, so I didn't really have to do anything. I just waited for a while. And here's the Mi Fit app for this watch. Now let's go over the menu controls in this watch. In the front we have the time, and the steps counter is in the bottom. On the top we can see the battery. It shows 67% right now as it was updating firmware. It has automatically taken the time and date from the phone itself. It works from Bluetooth. So here we can see the status. It tells us the steps, distance, calories, idle alerts. Here's the heart rate scanner, and it tells you to fasten the band slightly above your wrist. And yeah, there's some workout activities built into this, and there's more in the Mi Fit app. You can see there's outdoor running, treadmill, cycling, walking, and freestyle, and also pool swimming. It also tells you the weather. This is also synced from your phone. And it also tells you your notifications. As you can see, it's showing my WhatsApp notifications. And here, if you click in more, it allows you to put it into do not disturb mode. You can set an alarm or go to your music. If you load any music player on your phone, you can control the music from your watch, which is very nice. If we go into the app, we can see that you have the option for walking, running, and cycling. And you can, if you go to profile, you can see that it has a few settings, and the app is very useful, and you can set a lot of stuff. You can control the band from your phone. One of the best things that is advertised about this band is its 20-day battery life, which I'll be getting back to you in the full review of this product. Thank you for watching.